In this video, ipapakita natin yung mga sagot sa ating activity exercises. So, unahin natin yung activity exercise number 1, which is nandoon sa ating module number 1. So, at the end of its module, meron kayong makikitang assessment, no? SAQ. So, yun yung student assessment question. And, kailangan natin i-test kung meron kayong natutunan dun sa lesson na yun. So, for the number 1, yung nandyan sa ating activity number 1, so pwede nyong sabayan or i-write nyo na lang sa inyong notebook or you can check your output. Okay? So number 1 is integral of 8x cubed dx. Okay? So although meron akong example nito dun sa aking naunang mga videos, pero ipapakita ko pa rin kung paano ito isosolve. Okay? So dito, ang gagawin natin, yung ating coefficient na 8 ay ilalabas na natin siya. Pag-ihiwalayin natin siya dun sa kanyang variable dahil yung x ang ating i-integrate. Okay? So in this case, 8 times yung variable x natin raised to 3 plus 1 over 3 plus 1 plus the arbitrary constant na c. Okay, ngayon, paano nangyari yung x raised to 3 plus 1. So, as you can remember, we have the integral of x raised to n. Okay, so ito yung meron kasing power n and dx. And this would equals to x raised to n plus 1 all over the n plus 1. So, bali yung ating exponent dito ay nag-add tayo ng 1 and then nilalagay natin siya sa denominator. Yung total na, no? N plus 1 na. Then, don't forget to add the arbitrary constant c. Okay, as it is one of the rule. Okay? So after that, pwede na natin itong i-simplify. So this would be equals to 8 times x raised to 4 over 4 plus the arbitrary constant c. Okay? So in this case, pwede mo itong i-multiply. So meron kasi yan na 1 over 4. Kasi dito yung variable na x ay meron siyang coefficient 1 na invisible. Okay? So, hindi natin kasi nilalagay yung ating 1 value ng coefficient. Okay? So, wait lang. Okay? So, dito, pwede natin siyang i-multiply. 8 times 1/4. So, this would be equals to 2. Or pwede natin siyang i-divide. Okay? Pwede mo siyang i-divide, maglalagay ka lang dito ng division. So, 8 divided by 4 is equals to 2. Okay? So, this would be equals to 2 raised to, 2x raised to 4 plus the arbitrary constant c. So, yan yung ating sagot dito sa integral of 8x cubed dx. Okay? So, ganun lang po siya kadali. Okay, next. Yung ating next example is a polynomial. So, lumaki yung ating number 2 problem. Okay? So, this is integral of a quantity x squared minus 5x plus 6 dx. So, in this case, lahat natin siya i-integrate. So, by parts. Okay? Kaya meron tayong tinatawag na integration by parts, although hindi natin siya ginawa as one topic kasi embedded na siya dito sa ating module 1 and 2. Okay? So hanggang module 4. No? Kasi yung ating integration by parts, ang purpose na lang naman niya is to integrate the whole problem na isa-isa yung nasa loob na terms. So as you can see, yung number 1 natin is one single term or one term and yung ating number 2 is polynomial. Okay? So, in this case, this would be equals to x raised to 3, kasi n plus 1, 2 plus 1 is 3 over 3, minus yung ating 5, and then x raised to 2 over 2, plus 6x, then plus the arbitrary constant na c. Okay? Simplifying further the equation, this will give us 1/3, so pwede mo siyang ilagay dito, 1/3 x cubed minus 5 over 2 or 5 halves x raised to 2 plus 6x plus C. So bakit walang nangyari doon sa ating yung 5 over 2, di ba? Kasi magiging na siyang decimal place. So it is good na nakita natin siya, nabuo pa rin yung number kahit naka-fraction. Okay? So ito yung ating sagot sa ating problem number 2. Okay? Next. Pero kung ano pala, kung dun sa solusyon nyo ay hindi nyo siya ginawang 1/3, okay lang din naman. Pwede naman kasi siyang isulat na ganito. So x cubed over 3. Okay, pwede siyang ganyan. Minus 5x squared all over 2. Pwede siyang ganyan. Okay? Plus 6x plus c. Dahil yung value niyan ay pareho lang din naman. Okay? For number 3, okay. Yung ating number 3 is kailangan natin mag-expand, no? So, number 3, integral of a quantity, 3x minus 1 squared dx. So, alam natin na kapag meron tayong ganyan na problem, pwede nating sabihin na yung 3x minus 1 raised to 2 is equals to 3x minus 1 times 3x minus 1. Okay? Kaya lang, ang haba tapos na doble pa. So, hindi natin siya ganun kadaling ma-integrate. So, ang gagawin natin ay kukunin natin siya. So, kasi ito ay factor. So, ibabalik natin siya doon sa kanyang original na polynomial na term. Okay? So, gagamit tayo ng FOIL. So, kung natatandaan niyo yung FOIL, yan yung first, outer, inner, and last. Okay? So, imumultiply lang natin siya. First term, 3x times 3x. So, this would be, ilagay ko ulit yung integral sign dahil hindi pa tayo nag-integrate. Then, close quantity muna. Open quantity. So, this would be equals to 9x squared. Okay? And then, yung outer naman is 3x times negative 1. So, this would be negative 3x. Okay? And then, yung inner naman is negative 1 times 3x. So, negative 3x. So, pwede ko siyang ilagay dito sa baba dahil like terms sila. Okay? And then, yung last, negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1. And then, close quantity. Then, do not forget the dx. Okay? So, pwede natin siyang isimplify into this term. So, this would be equals to integral of a quantity 9x squared negative 6x plus 1 dx. So, kung mapapansin nyo, para katulad na siya nung problem natin sa number 2. Okay? So, integrate natin siya. So, this would be equals to 9x raised to cube over 3 minus 6 x raised to x squared over 2 plus 1x. Okay? Kaya lang hindi ko na ilalagay yung 1. So, plus x plus the arbitrary constant c. Okay? Simplifying further the equation kasi yung 9 over 3 is equals to 3. So, this would be equals to 3x cubed minus yung 6 over 2 is equals to 3. So, this would be equals to 3x squared plus x plus the arbitrary constant na c. So, ito yung ating sagot sa ating question number 3. Okay? Next. So, sa ating question number 4, ito medyo tricky siya, pero I hope na nakuha nyo to. So, for number 4, we have integral of x times the quantity is square root of x and then minus 1 close quantity dx. Okay? So in this case, dahil meron kang isang variable at merong, na nasa labas ng quantity, so pwede natin siyang multiply, no? Distributive property yung gagawin natin. So, ang mangyayari, pwede natin siyang gawin as x. Okay, so this would be equals to integral of x times square root of x then minus x. Okay? Kasi ito lang naman yun. So, ayan, tapos itong isa. Okay, so x times square root of x minus x times negative 1 or negative x. Okay? So closed quantity, dx. Okay, so alam natin na yung ating square root of x is just equals to x raised to 1 half. Kasi mahirap naman kung meron tayong radical sign dyan. Ang tawag natin dyan, di ba, yung nakakulong siya. So ilalabas natin siya. So para mawala yung bakod niya, so papalitan natin siya ng exponent. Okay, so ang katumbas niya sa exponent is raised to 1 half. Okay, so ang mangyayari, this would be equals to, yung ating x ay meron siyang exponent na 1. Okay, so yung x natin is ganito, x times x raised to 1 half. Okay, may integral pa tayo dito. Minus integral of x dx. And meron tayo ditong dx. Okay, kasi di pa tayo nag-integrate. Ngayon, alam natin na itong dalawang ito ay similar sila ng variable. Kasi x naman siya, di ba? So, pwede natin siyang i-multiply. So, when you multiply x times x raised to 1 half, mangyayari ay mag-add lang yung kanilang exponent. So this would be equals to x raised to 2 over 2 plus 1 over 2. So saan galing yung 2 over 2? Kasi nga sabi ko kanina, yung x is meron siyang invisible na exponent na 1. Okay? So dahil i-add natin siya sa isang fraction, kaya ang mangyayari, gagawin natin to as a fraction din, na katulad nung i-add natin yung denominator nila. So para mag-add ka ng fraction, dapat same yung kanilang denominator. So alam natin na yung 2 over 2 is just equals to 1. Okay? So after that, pwede ko na itong gawin as 3 over 2. Okay? So nandun pa rin yung ating integral sign at saka yung dx. Okay? And minus integral of x dx pa rin kasi wala pa naman akong binabago. Okay? So ngayon, mag-integrate na ako. So tatanggalin ko na yung mga uod, yung integral. So this would be equals to x raised to 3 halves plus 2 over 2. Kasi plus 1 tayo, di ba? Okay, so katulad nga kanina, yung ating x raised to n plus 1. So in this case, yung 1 na naman natin is 2 over 2. Over yung ating n plus 1. So kung ito ay 5 halves, ilalagay mo rin dito yung 5 over 2. Okay? Minus, yung ating x is x raised to 2 over 2. So linawin ko lang, no? Ito ay meron siyang bar dyan at saka may negative dito. Plus the arbitrary constant c. Okay? So, i-simplify natin siya. Kapag meron tayong denominator na fraction, pwede mo siyang i-reciprocate, no? O reciprocal. Okay? So, this would be equals to 2 over 5. Then, x, ka-level niya na yung x. Okay? Raised to 5 over 2. Bakit siya naging ka-level na nung 2/5? Kasi nga na-reciprocal na natin siya. Okay? And, minus 1 over 2 x raised to 2 plus the arbitrary constant na c. So this would be now the final answer. Meron pa ba tayong pwedeng gawin? Wala na, no? Kasi hindi na natin siya pwedeng i-simplify pa. Okay? So ito yung sagot sa ating question number 3. Number 4. Okay? For number 5, yung number 5 naman, kailangan nyo mag-recall dun sa ating mga algebra rules, no? Kasi yung number 5 natin is may factoring. Okay? So sa number 5 question, this is integral of x cube minus 8 over x minus 2 dx. Okay? So kapag ganyan, ang hirap naman kasi mayroon tayong perfect na cube. Alin ba yung perfect cube dyan? Yun yung x cube minus 8. Bakit ko sinabi na perfect cube? Okay? So, naalala nyo pa sa ating algebra, di ba meron tayong a raised to 3 or a cube minus b cube. Okay? Or meron din naman a cube plus b cube. Okay? So, ngayon, wala ka namang nakikita na cube dyan sa 8, pero pwede mo siyang kunin yung cube root of 8 is 2. So, this would just equals to x cube minus 2 raised to 3 kasi yung ating 2 times 2 times 2 is equals to 8. Okay? So, applicable siya dun sa ating sinasabi na perfect cube. Okay? So, kapag meron tayong perfect cube, alin ba gusto niyo example ko? Yung positive or negative? So, dito muna tayo sa positive para mas maintindihan natin. Okay? So, pag nag-i-expand ka, kasi in reverse tayo dito, no? I-expand mo yan, yung perfect cube na yan, i-expand natin yan. Yung a cube is equals to a times a times a. Tatlong a, yung a cube. Okay? Tapos yung b naman is b times b times b. Okay? So para makuha mo yung kanyang factor, so ilalagay natin siya into two parentheses. Okay? Yung isa is tatlong term, yung isa is dalawang term. Okay? So dito sa una na parentheses, okay, nandyan yung ating a plus b. Okay? And dito naman sa kabila, meron tayong a squared, ab, and then b squared, or squared ng last term. So, meron tayong sinusunod dyan na rule, yung ating tinatawag na SOAP. S-O-A-P. Yung S is for same, O is for opposite, and then always positive. Okay? So, saan natin ito gagamitin? Gagamitin natin siya dun sa ating operation. So, sabi daw, dito sa unang operation, ang gagamitin mo is same. Kaya nilagay natin na A plus B. Kasi yung ating, ang ating sinusundan na equation is A plus B. So, A plus B. Then, sa next naman na operation, ang gagamitin natin is opposite. So, ilalagay mo dito is negative. Okay? And then sa last part, ang sabi is always positive. Okay? So, ganyan. So, what if naman kapag negative yung ating difference na, no? Okay. So, halimbawa, palitan ko lang to. Yan. Tapos gawin ko siyang negative. So, difference kasi, no? Okay? So, ganun pa rin. Meron kang A, B, then squared mo yung first term, multiply mo yung dalawa, A, B, then squared mo yung last term. Okay? So, ganon. Tapos, sabi sa SOAP, same, opposite, then always positive. Okay? So, ganon yung ating magiging factor. Okay? So, ano ba yung first term dyan? Ano yung A at saka ano yung B? So, dito yung A natin is equals to X, tapos yung B natin is equals to 2. So, ilalagay ko na lang X minus 2 times x squared plus 2x, kasi multiply mo yun, di ba? A times b is 2 times x is 2x, plus squared mo yung last term or yung b. Okay, so this will be 2. 2 squared or 2 times 2 is 4. So, nakuha na natin yung kanyang, na-factor na natin siya. Okay? So, ang mangyayari na, okay na siya, ilalagay na natin siya sa ating equation. So, I hope na naalala nyo pa yung ibang mga terms natin sa ating algebra kasi napaka-importante nun. So, ilagay ko siya dito. May integral pa din dahil hindi pa naman tayo nag-integrate. Okay? So, this would be x minus 2 times the quantity x squared plus 2x plus 4 close quantity dx all over x minus 2. So, as you can see, pwede kong i-cancel itong dalawa, no? Kasi same sila. And naiwan yung ating maliit na lang na polynomial, okay? So, pwede na natin siyang gawin. So, this would be integral of a quantity x squared plus 2x plus 4 close quantity dx. So, magaling, no? Kasi makukuha mo na kaagad siya. So, this would be equals to x raised to 3 over 3 plus 2x raised to 2 over 2 plus 4x plus the arbitrary constant c. Simplifying the equation, this would be equals to x cubed over 3 plus x squared, kasi makacancel yung 2, plus 4x plus the arbitrary constant c. Okay, so ito yung sagot natin sa ating question number 5. So, ganun po siya. So, I hope na naintindihan ninyo at na-check nyo sa inyong mga sagot. Kasi last semester, so ito yung naging problem namin, hindi kami ganun nagkaroon ng time to check. No? Ako lahat yung nag-check kung paano sila gumawa, kung yung procedure ba nila ay tama. So, pero hindi ko sinasabi na ito na yung pinaka-perfect na solution. So, this is the ideal solution if you come up with another solution na mas madali. Kaya lang kasi, we have several methods. We have several methods in integration. So ito, nag-follow tayo sa basic integration and integration by parts. Although, nag-incorporate tayo ng mga rules like yung sa exponent, di ba? Yung sa power rule, okay? So pero, if you have or if you learn something sa ibang references and then nag-arrive kayo sa same answer, much better kung saan kayo mas nadalian. No? Kasi sa board exam naman, hindi nyo ipapakita yung solution nyo, but you just have to arrive for the better answer. So I hope you get something for this, and thank you for listening.